Hey guys, it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? So today, I'm going to show you guys a little something. It's something I usually don't do on my channel, but I just wanted to, you know, bring you the experience with me. So it's my best friend Lucy. She's going to help me out because honestly, I can't do this by myself. So today, I'm going to be changing this wall over here that's not looking so cute. It's so simple, you know, it's just gray. I have my Alex drawer here full of just a lot of stuff. Then I have my vanity and it just has a lot of stuff on it too. But if you notice, like, it's just empty and I can't put anything over here because the door, it needs space there. So we're gonna go ahead and transform this wall. Hopefully it looks good. So this is what I'm gonna be using. So first things first is I'm gonna put this one here. Probably right there to kind of just, you know, help with that empty wall. Then we have these over here frames that I'm gonna put pictures in, and I'm just gonna put like maybe around right there. And then we're gonna put wallpaper. This is a brick style wallpaper. I only have one, so I really hope that this works out for me. But if it doesn't, it's okay. I'm gonna try to figure another one out. Well, try to buy another one. So, Lucy, are you ready for this challenge?
Yes.
All right, let's get to it. Because my wall is textured, I mean, it's preferable if you have like that nice surface kind of wall, but mine is textured and I already knew that, and that's fine because like this is kind of textured too. Like in some areas you guys can see like it actually looks pretty cool, but in some areas I do have like this where I can't really control because of the texture of the wall, but like that's okay because you can't really tell unless you like really like looking at it. So it'll be fine. Now it's time to cut it down here, but I'm like scared that I'm gonna mess this up. Not perfect, but this is not about perfection. If you want something perfect, then this is not the channel. This is Lazy Girl. I want to get something done.
Lazy girl hacks.
So this is definitely not going to be enough paper, so we're going to have to go get another one, and let's just hope that I find one.
It looks cool.
At least that. At least it looks cool.
Yeah.
It makes it look bigger.
Yeah.
So update, we went to Target and we bought 2 more of these because only one covered that much of the wall. And we still have just more here, so we're going to continue. So we are finally done. It's really late at night and I'm actually really happy with the way that this looks. It's still not done. I still need a couple more things to add to it, but this is so far how it looks. If you guys are wondering where I got these frames, I got them at Target. If I find it online, I'll put the link down below in the description box. They're super cute. They're like $16.99 each or so. And if it's like, this is an 8x10 picture, so you can get a bigger or smaller, but I like the way that this looks. And this here, this panda, I got this at Home Goods for like 30 bucks. Super cute, but this is basically the thing. Well, that concludes the video. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below, let me know what should I add to it, because I'm definitely going to be adding a couple more things to it. It's still not done, but this looks way better than the plain just gray walls that I had all over, especially because this is going to be the background where I film. So that's going to be exciting. Again, I'm not a professional. I like to do things easy and a lazy way, and this is perfect because I don't want you to get discouraged if it says that you need to have like a clean, smooth like wall. My wall was textured. Yes, it's not going to be perfect, but I'm still liking the way that it looks, so I'm good with it. Anyways,
follow us on Instagram, link down below.
Yes.
pop up right here. It's late, we're tired.
Yeah, we're really tired, guys, so I'm just gonna wrap it up here. Remember, you're beautiful, you're amazing, and I'll see you guys in my next video.